Welcome to Overcoming Resistance to Innovation, Proven Strategies for Risk-Averse Organizations. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation and exploring how leaders can break through barriers in organizations where risk aversion is the norm. Innovation is the lifeblood of sustained market leadership, yet many organizations find themselves trapped by internal resistance. This resistance often stems from a fear of the unknown and skepticism towards change. But fear not, as there are proven strategies to help you overcome these challenges and foster a culture of innovation. Let's start by addressing psychological barriers through transparent communication. Clear and consistent communication is key. By framing innovation as an opportunity rather than a threat and aligning it with employees' values, leaders can significantly reduce skepticism. Next, consider leveraging small-scale pilots to minimize perceived risks. By starting with controlled pilot programs, organizations can test innovations on a smaller scale, gather valuable feedback, and demonstrate their value. This method builds confidence among employees and stakeholders, empowering them to embrace calculated risks. Incentivizing innovation is another crucial step. Employees are more likely to support change when they see direct benefits. Designing reward systems that encourage innovative contributions and recognize success can lead to a 25% increase in innovation success rates. Sometimes, deeply ingrained cultural resistance requires an external perspective. Deploying open innovation intermediaries can help bridge the gap between traditional mindsets and innovative thinking. These external facilitators act as change agents, challenging norms and fostering a more open mindset toward innovation. Finally, let's explore the power of behavioral nudges to counteract cognitive resistance. Digital nudging techniques, such as default settings and social proof, have been shown to improve innovation adoption rates by up to 44%. By addressing cognitive biases, organizations can ease transitions and reduce friction in adoption. In conclusion, overcoming resistance to innovation requires a multifaceted approach. By addressing psychological barriers, leveraging small-scale pilots, aligning incentives, utilizing intermediaries, and employing behavioral nudges, leaders can transform risk-averse cultures into agile, innovation-driven organizations. Thank you for joining us today. If you found these strategies helpful, consider sharing this video with others who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can drive meaningful change and ensure long-term success for our organizations.